Most people aren't tired because they do too much. They're tired because their brain never stops. You rest, you sleep, you take breaks, and somehow, it doesn't work anymore. There's a reason for that. The human brain was not designed for constant input notifications, scrolling, loud noise, and multitasking. Every time your brain processes information, it uses energy. When stimulation never stops, the brain stays in a low-level survival mode even during rest. So when you finally lie down, your body stops but your mind speeds up. You've probably noticed this pattern. The moment things get quiet, your thoughts get loud. You replay conversations. You plan tomorrow. You remember things you avoided all day. That's not weakness. That's backlog. Your brain delayed processing because there was never space. Scrolling feels like rest, but it's just more input. Rest fails when it only removes effort, but not stimulation. Lying down with your phone isn't rest. Watching videos until sleep isn't rest. True rest is when the brain is allowed to finish what it started. That's why people feel better after silence, not after distraction. Here are 3 small resets that actually help. Create empty space daily. 1 minute. No phone, no music, just stillness. Let thoughts surface early. Sit quietly before bed instead of waiting for your mind to explode at night. Reduce input before rest. Dim lights, fewer screens, fewer voices. The brain doesn't need more motivation. It needs permission to slow down. When rest stops working, it's not because you're broken. It's because your mind hasn't been heard. Subscribe for simple body and mind resets in a noisy world.